Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies, Bits and Bobs. Today we have another unboxing, but you already know that, don't you? Yeah, and it's this little thing. It's a cable organiser made by a company called Envisioned, and they sent me this free. So before we carry on with the video, I just want to quickly tell you that whether someone sends me something for free or they pay me to do a video or I pay for it out of my own money, it is nice, but at the end of the day I will always give you my honest opinion, because there's no point in me telling you any lies, because you'll just go off and you won't come back to me no more. So I'm going to always try and be honest and tell you what I really think of it, and also do I normally like to do a second video at a later stage after I've had it quite a while to say whether it's still good or not, like my headset. I think I've done about 3 or 4 videos on my headset. So with that, we'll get on with the unboxing. So I'll shut up now. Well, I'll carry on talking about the product now, shall we? So yeah, like I say, I got it from a company called Envisioned. I'll show you that, yeah. Also, they've sent me a link for 10% discount if you buy it through the link. So that will help you. So I'll stick that in the descriptions. So with that, I'll quickly explain to you why I'm happy to use this product. For those that know that I built this computer desk recently with electric legs on it, and I need to sort out all the cable management stuff. The top bit and the bottom bit. The bottom bit's even worse. I'll show you in a video in a couple of seconds so you can have a quick look. Yeah, that's the reason I'm going to be using this, because tidy up my computer desk. So with that, we'll get on with the video. Can you see that all right? Let's get on with it. So like I say, it's nicely packaged. Do I really need my knife? We're going to use my knife anyway. Just put that up there, just to break the seal, the plastic. And peel her off. Move my knife out of the way, put it in a safe place. Oh, that come off easy enough. Obviously it just sleeves out like that. Like I say, oh, that's quite nice. Envisioned. Yeah, see that? Quite a nice logo, embedded. Oh, right, we've got a thank you. Yeah. Well, thank you for sending it to me for free. But there you go. Oh, right, so there's another code here. It says, thank you for your purchase. You will be happy to know that all our products come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We truly hope you will enjoy it. We would also like to invite you to join our VIP club for additional benefits. Ooh, so I'll quickly show you that. There's another code there if you want to use that one. But like I say, I will stick the code in the descriptions for you to use. And it all says Amazon, so we're good to go. So there it is. Got a nice feel to it. Add it upside down, look at that, eh? So the Envisioned. Like I say, it does feel quite hefty. Oh. Nice. See it on the back? Definitely got a weight, it's definitely metal or something. So it says Envisioned, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots. So 7 slots, all different sizes. See that? I'm not sure if I'm going to really use a big one, but I do have some bigger connections and small ones. So yeah, it's quite good. So I'll put that on the desk for a second. You can hear that, can't you? See? Yeah, it's definitely a lump of metal in there. And also in the box, you've got some cable ties, or Envisioned ties, not cable ties. Well, they are cable ties, aren't they? But yeah, so you've got 4 of them, they're quite nice. Just to bunch them all up. I will be using these as well, I think, especially underneath my desk. So first impressions, feels quite a nice material actually. So what I'll do, I'll quickly plug it in, see what they, well not plug it in but connect the cables. So this is my biggest one at the moment. There's quite a bit of room there, movement there as well, and in there, so you probably want bigger cables in there, but for them, nice and tight in there. These here, yeah, they're not going nowhere. This one here is quite heavy as well. I've got some more back there, about the same size. So yeah, you've got 3 big ones in the middle and 4 little ones on the outer, which will hold virtually anything around that size. So your USB connections, that's definitely a USB 3, as you can see, and these are mini USBs. So they're all going to fit in there nice and quick. Because of the weight, it holds it back, so it stops it wandering off. So yeah, so once I sort out my lengths, how long I want them, put this back there somewhere, and job done. So that's it. So that's the end of my video of this cable organiser made by a company called Envisioned. So if you have any comments, please post them below. Don't forget there will be a 10% discount in the description. And if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.